Hello my young minds, welcome again to all of you. I hope you all are in much happiest mood. Here, I pray to God the Almighty for your well-being. But I request to all of you by my heart, don't quit before the completion of this video. In this video, I shall tell you why you can't speak English confidently and speedily. Do you know, even after giving a lot of years of hard study of English language, we are not able to speak English confidently. The main factor of this reason is that we are only wasting our time of learning grammatical rules and grammatical structure. But do you know, the native speaker who only have 20% English vocabulary and even they don't have maximum grammatical rules and grammatical structures in their mind. However, they can express their thoughts more easily and more vividly. The reason is that they don't use more grammatical rules and grammatical structures while they are speaking. I think during English speaking, we don't need grammatical rules and large number of English vocabulary. English speaking only demands your practice. How much you practice, better you will speak. I know for the learning of this skill, you need some tutor. So you search a good teachers around you who will really point out your mistake. Do you know, when you practice yourself without the help of any teacher, you do some mistakes and you have no sharp vision that you will yourself point out your mistake. And do you know, because of this, the mistakes are repeated day by day and improvements can never be brought in our mind. So you need to search a good teachers around your environment who will really point out your mistakes. Do you know, at that situation you need to give your time and energy to erase these mistakes and be practical day-to-day life so that you can improve yourself in English speaking. Many a learner thinks that English speaking is a Herculean task, but I think this actually is not. I think most of the people around our environment are unable to speak more confidently and easily because of their wrong perceptions and a strategy. Many people often think that this language relates to foreign country, so I can't. But I assure you that if you do a little bit of practice and if you give your time to your skill, I think one time comes and you will yourself start to speak this language. All steps that I have told you are really fantastic, but most crucial and important thing is that reading and listening. Reading and listening individually can never do anything to improve your English speaking, but instead you need some strategy and some action. I think only reading and listening are of no use if you don't practice orally to speak English sentences as much as your possibilities. So I request to all of my subscribers that be a practical and practice a lot of sentences to speak orally in front of the mirror so that one time comes and you will yourself speak paragraphs in front of the mass people. Do you know, around us there have many teachers of English language who can write a good English sentences and paragraphs. They can totally write the whole boards with their sentences and paragraphs. But when the mic and when he is given an authentic opportunity to express his thought in front of the mass people, the teacher cannot. Do you know, the reason is that they did not practice to speak this language in front of the people. Many a times some teachers can speak a Langda English in front of their students, but when this teacher is given an opportunity to speak English language in front of the seminar where thousands of people are present, I think the teacher can never do. Do you know, English speaking is a different skill and writing question answers of English in blackboard and whiteboard is a different aspect. So I think all the teachers of English can never speak in front of the mass people. So all my dear subscribers, I request to all of you that you need to be build yourself in both aspect. That is, you need to construct yourself in writing skill and you need to be construct yourself in speaking skill, so that your competitors can never compete